In the world of heavy-duty trucking, performance meets style when it comes to aftermarket upgrades. At World Truck Part Ltd, we specialize in providing premium solutions that elevate your vehicle's functionality and aesthetics. Today, we shine a spotlight on one of our flagship products, the LRH Headlight, featuring cutting-edge projector LED technology with halo accents. Designed specifically for classic and modern Peterbilts alike, these headlights are compatible with the Peterbilt 359, 379, and 389. Whether you're restoring a vintage rig or upgrading a contemporary powerhouse, our LRH headlights offer unmatched versatility. Choose between bold black housing for a modern, rugged look or go classic with shining chrome housing. Both options deliver unmatched brightness and energy efficiency. With easy installation and durable construction, the LRH headlight is built to last. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.